Hey everybody, it's Ivy, and today we're going to be doing another hair video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a new wig and also some new lace that I've never heard of before, okay? Today I was going for a very natural look. I don't have the baby hair because I want you guys to just see this lace in all of its glory. Yes, y'all, that's a lace. That's a lace. The unit I'm going to be showing you guys is from XrsBeauty. So this is a 13x6 clear lace wig, okay? So it does come with 13x6 lace frontal, and it comes with straight hair, and this is 200% density. So as I mentioned, you guys, this is clear lace. I'm going to show you guys the difference between clear lace and also transparent lace. So I'm just going to use my hand for reference. I'm going to show you guys what a piece of regular transparent lace looks like. So this right here is what your traditional transparent lace looks like, okay? So I am going to dry this down. Okay, you guys, so this is now dry. This is your regular transparent lace, okay? This is how it looks. I've added some Got2b just to help adhere it to my hand. And this is the transparent vibe. It's not too bad, but it's not the most natural. You can tweak transparent lace and make it look good, but it's not gonna be great. And now I'm gonna show you guys the new clear lace. So before I even glue down the clear lace, as you guys can see, it's melted away into my hand, okay? The clear lace is melted away. Okay, you guys, so immediately you can see that the clear lace is gonna just melt into your skin. It literally melts down into the skin. I'm sorry, my hands are dry. Ignore that. But it just melts down into the skin and just gives you a really invisible look. Like you can't even see the grids. And you guys, I'm absolutely in love with this lace because me as a brownie, I don't have to go in and tint this lace. And I don't have to put foundation on this lace. And I don't have to do a whole lot of things just to get a perfect blend. Like this is probably one of the best lace I've ran across like in a long time. I am going to show you guys exactly how I installed it. I did install this glueless. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I did this look, keep on watching. You guys know that I love to use my wig grip with the lace. It's the only thing that works for me, and it adds that extra layer of protection so it doesn't feel like my wig is gonna slide off even if it's glue. It just holds everything into place. So for my natural hair around the edges, I did go ahead and gel those all the way back using my Got2b gel in the yellow tube. And my hair is all the way back, and what I'm gonna do is go ahead and apply powder right on top of here for my bald for my fake bald cap method. Powder you use is really up to you. I like using this one from Cover FX, and it's just like something that's like almost exactly my skin tone, but it has like a more neutral undertone, because when you're doing this you want the color to be like, you know, similar to your scalp. You just want to stay right in between something neutral. And I literally just place this right on top of my natural hair, and it doesn't cause me any baldness or shedding or anything like that. When I'm removing my hair, it just comes off right with it. And you can spray a little bit of holding spray right on top of this just so it doesn't transfer. So the unit we're using today is from XrsBeauty, and I've never worked with this company before. I'm really excited to install this wig. This is the unit that they sent me, and this is in a 22 inch. It's a 200% density, and it's straight hair. This is the 13x6 clear lace and clean hairline. And you guys, I didn't pluck or anything to this unit. This is literally how your unit comes. And I just thought like the customizing of the wig was amazing. For it to come out of your box looking this good, I was like, oh yeah. And it did come with bleached knots. I did go in and re-bleach the knots because I just like my knots really light. but they came bleached and it looks perfectly fine. And I did co-wash the hair, so this is how the hair looks after co-washing it. It does have this really nice like body wave type of texture, so it definitely dries to a really pretty texture. The hair feels really good and soft, y'all. Like, it's so soft, and it's no thinning. This wig is super dense and full. And I just want you guys to look at the hairline again. I didn't have to pluck this whatsoever, and I love how it looks, you guys. It is perfect. This is perfect, and this lace just feels so good, you guys. So this is the inside of the unit. It does come with combs. It also comes with an attachment already built in right here, so you can attach elastic bands. And I really love that because I wanted to do this wig glueless, so it already comes prepared for me. If you don't have braids, it does come with combs and stuff, so you can wear this and it will feel secure if you use the combs, but I usually like to cut those out. And it also comes with the elastic band in the back that you can make the wig larger or smaller. Okay, I really like that this came with the built-in clips for the elastic band. It just makes the whole process easier. I definitely consider this like a beginner friendly wig, so I'm just gonna place this on my head. You guys, I haven't had an elastic band wig on in so long. Okay, you guys, so see, this is why I wish I had a bigger head, because my frontals, I always have to like figure out something weird just for them to lay properly. But we gonna figure this out. We gonna figure it out. Okay, you guys, so I'm just gonna cut right here, and also I'm just gonna go in with Old Faithful Got To Be. Okay, you guys, so now I'm just gonna go in and cut off my lace. Okay, guys, so around the edges, I'm just putting a little bit of water down instead of adding more Got To Be and more gel and stuff, because I don't want it to get like caked up. And once I'm done doing this step, I'm just gonna go through with a blow dryer just to seal everything back down, because when you do use like Got To Be and stuff, you don't want it to get like too cakey or anything like that, because then you'll just have like all that nasty buildup. Okay, so as you guys can see, this is melty. I'm not doing any baby hair, so I am going to use my hot comb just to smooth everything back a little bit. To style this unit, I think I'm just going to go in and put some like some curls at the end.